I have a question. So there's a no harmful or injurious contact with the complainant. So number one, is there a protective order in place?
I have a fair protective order with bond conditions.
It was bond conditions. The complainant had apparently done an A and P.
Mhm.
There's no contact. The violation was them.
Court is calling 2026 CR 0082220 State versus Javier O.A. Can I have parties announced?
Opinion for the state of Texas?
Robert Mauer for defendant.
And are you Mr. O.A.?
Yes.
Probation, this is an application.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
We did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. O.A., did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do.
State, are you proceeding as presented?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Mr. O.A., did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
You're charged with violation of bond or protective order more than two times or more within 12 months. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
He is.
Mr. O.A., has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, or re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Before we move on to the plea bargain page. No, you did not. I have a question. So there's a no harmful or injurious contact with the complainant. So number one, is there a protective order in place?
I have a fair protective order with bond conditions.
It was bond conditions. The complainant had apparently done an A and P.
Mhm.
There's no contact. The violation was them living together. So we just want to make sure that there's no further violations.
All right, so here's my question. Have you spoken to her? Does she want to live with him?
We have to attempt to. Yes, ma'am.
All right, so
I think
this
she's
is-
avoiding the contact because she wants the charges dropped.
All right, so here's the thing. This no harmful or injurious contact, I know that's a part of your plea bargain agreement. I don't follow that when it's assaultive behavior or if there's some type of violation until the complainant, lets me know that they're fine with this. So if this is going to be a deal breaker for your plea bargain agreement.
Well, I think the problem is, Judge, it's going to set them up for automatic failure because I think the reason she's not contacting the DA's office is she wants the charge dropped.
What do you want to see if somebody wants to talk to her and see if she wants to zoom in? If she zooms in and says that she just wants a no harmful or injurious contact, then I'm inclined to follow that.
Judge, I can try calling her. I can tell you, I'm out tomorrow and I can't be back this afternoon, so I have to try to do it maybe Monday.
Okay, if y'all want to do it Monday, or if y'all want to see if you can get in touch with her now to zoom in.
I'll try calling her.
All right. Javier O.A., can I have parties re-announced for the record?
Opinion for the state of Texas?
Robert Mauer for defendant.
All right, and you, Mr. O.A.,
Yes.
did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, so according to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in prison, $1,500 fine. State is recommending community supervision. There's to be no harmful or injurious contact with the complainant. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State defense?
That is a plea, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and state, with regards to this no harmful or injurious contact, Did you have a chance to speak with the complainant?
I did just consider, Your Honor, I asked her a series of questions, and after a series of questions, she indicated that the complainant does not want to have more.
Right, and is that correct, counsel?
That's correct.
And counsel, I believe you stated earlier that she had also filed an affidavit of
Yeah,
non-prosecution.
I don't have a copy of it. She might have provided it to SAPD, but I know she'd indicated that she wanted to drop the charges. I think that's why she wasn't responding initially.
Okay, all right. Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Any such motions?
No, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. 200 hours community service restitution, anger management, TAP evaluation, follow all recommendations. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
No objections.
Okay. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
And state you may be excused?
Thank you, Judge.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. Off the After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, I just asked the court to grant his application. He's been incarcerated for 5 months on an off bond. So I think he's ready to get on with his life.
How old are you?
56, ma'am.
All right. Here's the thing, you're gonna be in probation out of this court. She is saying that she wants you, I guess, to move back in with her. You know better than I do what your relationship is like.
Yeah.
Maybe this is a relationship where you all shouldn't be together. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because if the court receives a phone call that you violated the court's orders, a motion to revoke is going to be filed. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. When's the last time you had employment?
Oh, I worked all my life, 25 years.
He does concrete work, Judge. He's just been unemployed since he got incarcerated.
All right. Are any children in that household?
No.
All right. The court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 6 years in prison, suspended and probated for 6 years, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, TAP evaluation out of custody, follow recommendations. However, if TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we'll start with outpatient treatment. There's a $1,500 fine that will be probated. There's to be no harmful or injurious contact with Marella, Mariela, Barrera. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. No residing in households with minors. 200 hours of community service restitution. The court is going to order anger management. Once anger management is completed, The community service hours were deemed satisfied. No possession of firearms. This is a conviction, and it's felony conviction. You're not allowed to own any firearms. Do you understand? Okay. Probation, is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.